Husband wey lose him wife to him pastor don't come outside they talk another one. This man self don't come outside they talk say him pay this woman bride price to the fullest. Say even they surprise say his ex-wife they call her Mrs. Tina Adeyo. Say they surprise for the kind matter where this woman come outside they talk. Plus the girl mama say I can no pay bride price. Say over here and reach say for traditional marriage no how you must pay money. And say as the matter be he even do white wedding. You know say before now only traditional all of us they hear. Say in fact he marry this woman legal everything they complete. And if you do white wedding, you go know say you go spend money. You in fact, to even carry woman come up from that place, you must pay. So you go surprise say all this kind of matter, they come they talk this kind one. Say in fact, what did they vex am? Say no be about say the woman go remarry you. Say nobody remarry they vex am. Say na the fact wey be say na her pastor be na him pastor na him go marry. Say na what they pain am go. Say person when they complain all the problems. Now he come marry him wife. My papa beg, make now watch where this man for talk this one.
The mother has come to earth that I didn't pay for her daughter's head. Who on earth that will do traditional marriage and white wedding without paying a diary for the daughter's head? Nobody. The world should know that nobody does that. That after traditional marriage, if you want to go for wedding, you must pay every dime in the family before they accept that white wedding for them to come and hand over their daughter to you in their altar, which they did. I am not surprised of what happening today. But what I'm saying, I'm not against of she marrying. What I'm against is why must she be my pastor that I have been laying my complaint to? I started like this. I accused my wife of not being faithful to me. I complained to pastor. Pastor said I should call my wife. My wife to return back to me. No, let the marriage work for them. But why I came on air is that she said one day did not return anything to me, no divorce paper, no anything. I gave my wife oath, tell her to take Bible. She took the Bible and swore that from today she will not meet another man again. After that day, after 4 days, she took that oath. She left my house and stayed for 7 months. After the 7 months, what I'm saying is him, my pastor, wedding my wife.
Chai, it be like say this matter, it don't they turn to reality TV show. Maybe we'll go give him name, keeping up with the pastor World Bank. Because this matter, it just they get different head and different things. Now, Mr. Bright, they talk in love in wife. And say himself no say in wife love him. Say this kind of thing will happen. In don't the reason and say another thing they inside this matter. Say for person to collect in wife, it means say no be clear eye. Say it be like say juju or something they inside this whole matter. I mean if I talk am before. Say how person go dey normal. Say this woman not say the whole beat inside people they talk say the woman saying they beat. Say you never touch this woman for hand one day and even know who I won't believe. You say you they beat the woman, I be the woman saying you they beat her. Now you self they claim saying if let's say the children go to settle this matter. Because the woman talk say if they beat and the children dead there. So I sure say then these children go come and say now can't talk through. And say as the matter be himself they fear. Mr. Bright they talk say in life they at stake. In what way? Saying they fear say this pastor and I know say the pastor get connection. Say the pastor now if you go do something for a person where fit if your wife go fit do anything. Hey, I don't know as your life take enter this whole thing. But make we reason now fine. But I'm not sure say this pastor will get your time to that extent. But this kind of thing is very painful. Because this man they talk say any problem where him and his wife they get. If him and his wife they fight, any small he don't call pastor say, pastor now this thing they go. He can't they over shock say person why they give all my complaints to. Now he can't they in fact conning my wife for under. Now what even convex and now he talk say all this ones where they come out and say okay fine. On I no marry again. May they return the things where him pay. Say bride price money, they never give him back. And in fact, maybe they do normal wedding, divorce paper. Maybe they give him and make himself sign. So they don't give him divorce paper. That means say this man even still they legally married to his wife. If that's so it be. Because now what is this man now? Don't use his mouth to talk. But I beg this whole matter. We still they wait for Pastor Ade. We need to hear your own side of this story. I'll be say you and this woman tell me to be saying I can't even fall in love because we're supposed to know that part well. To fit explain this kind of thing. But I beg, one time shall never end. Today, wife go. You see, wife, husband, and wife matter. I know they like put my mouth. The wife go come outside, come talk this one. Husband say go come outside, come talk this one. But the man they claim say it be like say this woman she don't dey cheat since. Because when I watch this video where the man talk say him bring her Bible give this woman. Say make this woman take oath, make she swear. And the woman swear say she no go dey cheat on her, she no go dey misbehave. Say he no take. Now there this woman carry her load, go. God say she dey go pastor place. So I beg something dey inside this matter is either this man no trust the woman, or it means say this woman don't dey do things since and he know about them. Maybe now what you call make and they complain. But make I reason this thing. This kind thing man, he go fit beat this wife. Make I look because the wife even dey more hefty than him. So I come the reason say how this thing they even won't correlate. Something one secret thing dey inside this matter. And I no go surprise say this girl mama self get something about this thing because I know in the case where mama they control pikin. Because if like say this girl and the mama they be 5 and 6. Anything where they happen, the mama know. Now I make the mama say go fit just come out and when they put mouth for husband and wife matter. So this thing make the just enter, carry this matter go court. Make court go help them settle because now only court now go fit end this kind of matter. Because this one I don't even know be a betrayal of the highest order. Wife betray you, pastor self betray you. How person go take am? And all these kind of things now they make person they decide say I no go church again. Because the pastor don't hurt him feelings. But I beg make na just carry this matter. Call in a family member, make all of na go court. Make court help and resolve them. If you decide say na no one marry again, make na sign legal paper. Say okay, we don't divorce. Make everybody find their own square root. But pastor, we still dey wait for you. We need to hear them. On our love story, and at 12 na even meet. We need to hear the story. My people, I beg, I hear this one as make I bring now the update of this pastor matter. Anything when I feel, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Stay tuned for the next video.